chapter 5, probability distribution. In this section is different from the previous one. We're still going to find the mean and standard deviation. But instead of have a complete information, you're going to have different event, X, and then the probability of each event. For example, this event, this is the probability of this event, this is the probability. So you don't really have a complete detail, just the probability. So let's look at the requirement. All right, the requirement, the sum of probability of every event should equal to 1. Basically what it means is you add all this, you should get 1 or very close to 1. So I did check all this is equal to 1. The second requirement is probability of each event should be between 0 and 1. It can be 0 and it can be 1 as well. Look at the first event, the probability is 0, that's okay. This is between 0 and 1. Everything is between 0 and 1. So it meets the two requirements here. The two formula that I would like to talk about is the expected value. They use the same notation, mu, but it's expected value. So the formula is sigma. Sigma means add. X is your event, time its probability. So basically you're going to multiply each event to its probability. So let's calculate the mean first. So you're going to multiply the first event, which is 0, times its probability. So this times this is 0. 1 times this is just 1. 2 times this is just this, and so on. So the mean, you're going to add all of them. After you multiply, you add all of them. So this is the mean. So this is the life insurance policy for its top 4 executive. So, and the random variable X is the number of those employees who live to the next year. So we want to find the mean or expected number of people who will live to the next year. So we did this, it's all four people, all of them. Let's look at the standard deviation. Standard deviation, sigma, the formula is square root. This is also pronounced sigma, but it means sum. X squared times probability of X minus mu, which is this one. So you have to calculate the mu first, square. So the first thing you do is you're gonna do this first. Alright, you're gonna do this first. So you're gonna do X squared first. So I extend the column here, X squared. So you're gonna square the X, 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared 9, and so on. So that's your X squared. Probability, they should give it to you. Then you're gonna multiply the X squared to its probability. So you're gonna multiply this column to its probability. So 0 times this, you get 0. 1 times 0.00001, you get this. 4 times 0.0006, you get this, and so on. So after that, you can add them. You're gonna add them. This is one term. So I add all of this column. This is what I get. So we go here, this part. This one is this. Alright. Minus mu, I calculate the mu already, or expected value, which is 3.9598. You're gonna square this, alright, because the formula says square. You're gonna square this and subtract from 15.7204. Then you're gonna get this number, take root, and the answer is 0.2010. Alright, so make sure you know how to find the mean and standard deviation. They should give you the X and its probability. All you need to do is extend the table and plug it in the formula. So I'll see you next time. Bye.